If you're tired of guessing games in your trading strategy but still want to make serious dough, it's time to check out ProAct Traders. So, you've dabbled in Forex, you've seen the charts go up and down more times than a yo-yo on an elevator. But here's the kicker, with ProAct Traders you get tools that make these charts look like child's play. Imagine this, software so sharp it predicts market moves faster than I can say bullish breakout. And no, it doesn't need coffee breaks. Whether you're a newbie feeling out your first lot, or a seasoned trader with the battle scars to prove it, ProAct has something for you. What's their secret sauce, you ask? It's their custom-designed indicators and state-of-the-art charting tools. These bad boys bring clarity to the chaos, helping you make decisions with confidence. And the best part, you're not alone. Join a community where everyone speaks your language, pips, lots, and candlesticks. Plus, with regular webinars and expert support, you're basically trading with a net. So, ready to stop playing darts in the dark? Let ProAct Traders light up your Forex journey. After all, it's not just about making money, it's about making smart money.